Hey everyone, today we are working on this 2013 Honda Accord. This has a 2.4 liter four cylinder with a automatic transmission, which is the CVT. We are going to be doing the transmission fluid change today. I went ahead and purchased 4 bottles of this Honda HCF2 CVT transmission fluid, and I would recommend only going with this and not putting anything else in your Honda. So first thing you need to do is open the hood. Once you guys have opened your hood, I recommend actually putting it into the service port. So this is where you would normally put it, and it opens up the hood. And if you actually want to service your Honda, you can put it also into this point here, and gives you a lot more space to work on everything. You can come down here, and this yellow sticker that you see with HCF on it, you just have to come and pull it out. That's pretty much it. This will help you drain the oil quicker, and it will do it a lot better. When you're taking out that plug right there, you have to be careful that this is the exhaust and it can be hot. And I also do recommend taking this for a little drive so everything is warmed up and it's gonna flow out the transmission a lot better. Next, you guys need to come over onto the driver's side and jack up the car using this point right here, which is to actually raise it up, and it's a lot better to put it here rather than anywhere else. Make sure you guys are working on a level surface and your emergency brake is applied so the car does not roll on you, just to be on the safe side. And then you can raise it from this side here, and as you can see, the car is up in the air. Let's go underneath and open up the drain plug. Once the car is up in the air, guys, you just come underneath, and there is the drain plug right there, and just put the socket on there and get it loose. Just be careful, guys, when you're pushing or pulling, whichever way you guys decide to do it, that you don't hurt your fingers, because this might be tight for some of you. But because I do the oil change regularly, I don't really over tighten it, so just be careful. Now we just drain the oil. Now we will just, I got my drain bucket here, we'll just back this off. Be careful not to drop the washer. You guys can see the plug has some a bit of grease and grime, so you guys just want to clean it off. Hopefully you guys don't actually have any metal or anything bigger. So just clean the plug off and we'll put it back in once the fluid is all drained out. Once all the fluid has drained out, we can put our clean plug back together with a new crush washer. And then just carefully snug it up, not too tight. This is a aluminum part. Once the car is lowered back on the ground and you have the drain plug inside, we can just take a funnel and just get it lined up into that hole. Nice. So kind of like that, and now I'll just carefully pour the fluid. Okay guys, I'm just gonna pour the fluid one bottle at a time. It is kind of a tight spot. And this car will take, or this transmission will take 3.5 to 3.75, so just under 4 bottles. Now we can remove our funnel and put the plug back in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Only thing left to do is to go inside the car and slowly go through all the gears while you're sitting in one spot. Do that a couple of times just to get the fluid throughout the transmission. And please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.